We are Port Fire Services. This is a section which is under the Marine Operations Department, generally falling under the Operations Division of the authority. Our general purpose is to ensure that we respond to all emergencies which happen within the authority. All incidences, both rescue, we manage them, and in addition we also provide ambulatory services to our clients and port users. We have 2 fire stations, that is one at the container terminal station and one at the main station. In addition, we have 2 oil terminals which also manage the Shimanzi Oil Terminal and Kipevu Oil Terminal. We have an advanced life support ambulance which is also manned by our emergency medical technicians who are trained in paramedics. We also have firefighters well trained by ourselves here at the Bandari College who have undergone 17 weeks basic firemanship course. In addition, also in terms of equipment, we also manage a towing truck, which also assists in any other services within the authority, both in incidences happening at the ship or also within the authority jurisdiction. What happens during an emergency, once the fire control room receives the call, depending on what type of emergency they are required to respond to, they quickly and immediately notify the crew to respond to. If it's an accident, then immediately an ambulance is mobilized and respond with the right personnel to go and offer the kind of services it's required. We have our response timing as per our ISO standards, which we currently do at 5 minutes upon any receipt of an incident.